Hey, what's up, guys? I want to do a quick video showing a way how to do basically making your doors look fancy for really cheap. So we just bought this house, and throughout the door, or throughout the house, they have these doors, which these are called flush doors, flush panel doors. If you go look at the doors in your house right now, they probably have either 4 panels of just like kind of like an inset pattern, or they may have the 2 panel where it like arches at the top. Those are the 2 off-the-shelf Home Depot doors that pretty much all the builders are using. These doors are a lot older, so if your house was built in the 70s, 80s, maybe even 90s, then you're gonna have these flush doors. Now you can change all these out if you're flipping a house. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 doors times about $100. So that's $1,200 just for the doors, and then you install them. You can do it yourself. It's pretty easy. It'd take a day. And then you caulk and paint everything. So you're into it for $1,200 plus a day's worth of work. Or you pay someone, they'd probably charge you $50 a door to hang it. So then you're looking at $2 grand for new doors. This is our trick and workaround for that. So this piece of trim right here, you can buy this at Home Depot for like $1. We got like a bunch of sticks of it. And then we just trim out the door like this. Now this is Tim Scott and Evelyn Scott's idea, a fellow real estate investor that we know out here. And all you gotta do, I'm doing it right here, is place it on the door. You want a little bit of a difference in reveal. So down here is the bottom of the door. We got an 8-inch reveal. And then up here will be a 5-inch reveal. And then on the sides is gonna be equal. It's probably gonna be about 5 inches for these doors because they're smaller. But you get what I'm saying. You want an equal distance all the way around. And then you take this little guy. Is a pin nailer. It shoots out 23 gauge nails. And the benefit to that is there's barely a hole here. You can kind of see that hole. Well, we'll caulk and paint this and you'll never be able to tell it was there. You could also wood glue it if you want. That's a lot of work. I think this pin nailer is gonna be just fine. And for no more than $50, we're gonna have all these doors trimmed out. So this is my 3rd one I did. It looks the best, if I do say so myself, but I will show you the first one I did. It looks terrible. And I'll show you this. You know, I know there's a lot of people out there who are maybe looking at these. Oh, this looks so bad. Okay, so 1, 2, on the 3rd try, I got it where I wanted it. And you can see all the nail holes in there. And it's still not looking good. If you look back, you can see how it's kind of warped on one side. So I'm gonna have to fix that. So if at first you don't succeed, try again. Anyways, that is our little tip today, made famous by Tim and Evelyn Scott, like I said, for getting your doors cheap and awesome. All right, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.